Morning, guys. I am on a beautiful run in the Netsurf nature camp, and this is the track out. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. From the camp to the Netsurf highway, it's about a mile, little over a mile, and it's a beautiful run. Beautiful tree coverage there, so not too much sun coming in. Beautiful run. Gotta go past this bridge. It's a lovely, lovely area. Lovely area. Again, it's about a mile out from the Netsurf nature camp in that direction. I'm gonna run the hell out of it. Some lovely uphill terrain that leaves you breathless, but it's a good run. What's around the bend? That is the question. What's around the bend? It's another part of the trailing. Folks, who wouldn't want to run this? Let me slow down so you can take it in properly. A long, beautiful, quiet path. I just need to get away and get in touch with myself. Listen to that inner voice. Recharge. Again, beautiful for a nice walk or a run as I'm doing. See you guys soon. So I'm a little further, much further away from that last view I gave you. Look at this, guys. This is so sexy. Just you and nature. So I'm just approaching just over a little mile of the run out, and that is the Netsurf highway. That's ahead of me there. Woo! That's the highway there. So I'm halfway of my run goal for the morning. Halfway. There you go, folks. There you go. Time to cool down. Great run. Time to cool down, folks. Cool down a little bit. Great run. So guys, I'm running back in, and the most awesome thing happens that can happen to a runner on a hot day running anywhere. It started to rain, which makes the run even more fantastic. It started to rain, folks. All I brought to do is a bottle of water. It started to rain. So I'm running downhill back to the Netsurf Nature Park. And I'm going to show you in a minute what is perhaps my favorite spot on this whole run. I'm going to show you in a minute. So this is a bridge I showed you earlier that links two parts of that trail in. And this little trench rivulet creek ends up into a larger creek area I'm going to show you just now. It's a fantastic Sunday morning. Look at that. See? This is my favorite area. Favorite area. I love it. And that's a little sitting area right there. See that behind me there? You can take a rest. See you guys in a bit.